one of the best ways to write bone-crushing heavy riffs is to master the art of palm muting. So palm muting involves using the knife edge of your picking hand and resting it on the bridge. So you're basically going to judo chop that bridge where the strings rest on the bridge, more specifically, and you're going to get yourself a heavy sound, kind of like this. And you're also going to use the bridge pickup, which is there. And you're going to go chug, 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 chug. Now, if you come in too far, what's going to happen is you're not going to get any note content. So there's no harmonic content that's coming through because you're essentially muting the strings from ringing out. So you want to scoot it a little further back. So experiment. It might be a little bit different for you, depending on what you like, depending on your guitar. So make sure that you're scooting it back and forth, just kind of like that's too far. That's the sweet spot for me. So by just scooting it around, you get to find where that sweet spot is based on the sound that you're playing through, the amp that you're playing through, the guitar that you have, and the style of music that you're playing. It's also going to give you that percussive sound. I hope you have some fun with it, enjoy, and if you have any comments or questions, drop them below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.